Hey there guys, in this video I'm going to talk about what is the best app for the cursive writing that you can actually get. So the first one that is like very good is called MyScript. So with the MyScript, and it's called like Nebo in the past, but this is something like superior ability to recognize and convert cursive handwriting into digital text. So this is like the first one that is like very popular, and even when we write here you see like 4.5 reviews. That isn't bad at all. So this is something that you can actually like try. Now, they would you possibly like. Now, another one that I also recommend to check out is called Samsung Notes. And I want to make this like very effective for you. So Samsung Notes are also interesting one. You can have like plenty of reviews, and here you can have also like cursive writing. Then also you can like for the editing and also like the PDFs, you can check out the Penly. So Penly is also interesting one. So this is kind of like the beginner purpose journey with Penly for Android. Take notes and notes, edit PDFs. So this is something that you can also like do, and how you can use it. And also you can check out Xodo. So this is like another one. So that's like another one here too for the also secure document management and e-signature solutions, primarily for the heavy PDF editing. I just still want to mention it. And also Notability for the iOS. So that's something that you can also check out for yourself, and maybe you're gonna like it too. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So hope this video provided a little bit of value on what you can actually do and how the process works. And have a great day and goodbye.